Heygen Avatar. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser, type heygen.com in the search bar, and press enter. To get started, click login if you already have an account, or click sign up for free if you don't. Enter your email address, click the send code button, then create a password, and click the create account button to proceed. Once you're on the home page, go to the sidebar menu. Select the avatar's icon, and then click create new avatar. Select the photo avatar option to continue. Next, click the select photos button. Choose your photo. Then scroll down and click the upload button followed by the continue button to proceed. Fill in the required information in the section provided, such as name, age, gender, and ethnicity. After entering the details, click the continue button to proceed. Your avatar is now ready. You can now add a voice by clicking the add voice button to continue. On the dashboard, click Heygen library. Select the voice you want to use, for example, 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀, Natural, and click the next button to proceed. Go to your avatar, click play icon. Next, type your script in this command, and click play icon to start your voice.